How to reset password on OKX wallet, recover OKX wallet account. Now if you want to actually reset your password on OKX wallet, if only happens if you have set up a password. If you have not set up a password, then obviously you won't be able to recover it. Now once you've done this, you want to simply tap on the multiple dots icon. Now by the way, if you are not logged in and you are logged out, there also you'll find the option to forget your password. If you are logged in and you still want to reset it, you can tap on this little option here, then simply go to security, then go to security center. Then from security center over here you can see set login password. Now if you had previously set up a login account or the login password, you'd find the option to restore them using your phone number. So it would ask you to verify your phone number, and once you send the code and enter the code and tap on confirm, you'd be able to enter the new password and re-enter the new login password. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically reset your password on OKX wallet. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.